So it says manipulate arrays with push. So it's a push method. I've seen this before. An easy way to append data to the end of an array is via the push function. So dot push and brackets. Takes one of or more parameters and pushes them onto the end of the array. So it gives you an example there. I'll push 4 to it. Yep. And then it'll push happy and joy to R2. Yep, I've seen this before. So it says push dog and 3 onto the end of my array variable. So I'm just going to copy this. So you want to push it. So what you would do is below this line, you would write my array dot push, and then inside of it, the brackets, you would write what you want to be pushed. Which would be that. You need to close it out. Let's run test. Power up.